When we travel, we don't often eat at the same place twice, but when it is the place that brought you back to Honolulu,
Yeah.
and that's the line behind us right there.
There's no line for Marakume. Let's go.
We're gonna go eat again.
Yeah.
That's worth coming back for a second time.
Yeah, technically it was our third time if you got the last time we were in Hawaii. Marakume Udon is by far one of the best meals you can have. And so cheap and so easy. So yeah, we'll definitely link somewhere in this little square.
Our full video when we ate there the other night.
Yeah, because you're gonna wanna see that where we are swooning over food. It's delicious, don't miss it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And off to dinner out of the resort, my favorite way, through the jungle back to busy Waikiki.
Yeah. All right, we just got our next giveaway. A bottle of water. No, just kidding. I went in to grab a bottle of water at the ABC store, which you can find all over the islands, kind of like a drugstore. But we did also find the next giveaway. It's a magnet with a map of all of the Hawaiian islands. So make sure you remember where we got this giveaway item. It was at the ABC store here in Waikiki. Sometimes you find things that are so good you go back twice. Sometimes you go to two places twice. We found another Musubi place, same one we went to yesterday, but in a different location, so we're gonna go grab some Musubi.
I have a secret confession to make. I'm a Honolulu cookie-aholic. That store behind me is Honolulu Cookie Company. We came here the other day and I made sure to get my bucket of 30 cookies. But that's not enough to take home while I can go make my own bucket of another 30 cookies. And Ed said I could do it. Cookies everywhere.
Yeah, there are cookies everywhere.
And my favorite flavor lemon.
How many are you buying?
You can pick two.
I can pick two?
You can pick two.
Wow. I can pick two. What a treat. My favorite are the fruit ones. I hope you got some.
It is so much fun to go through there and pick all the cookies and look at all the gift sets they have. And I got my 30 cookies to take home. Giveaway alert, since I love the cookies so much, you get a set of Honolulu cookies too. So remember, for the giveaway, these cookies came from Honolulu Cookie Company and they could be yours. Pay attention to all the giveaway items in our videos. And sometimes after a busy day like we had today, you just go grab some Musubi and come back to the hotel.
Yeah.
It's not very exciting, but it's very yummy. I got myself some Spam Teriyaki and Spicy Cod Roe Musubi. See, again, portable.
I chose identical matching Spam Musubi Teriyaki Spam, and we're gonna hang out on the lanai and eat.
It's our last night here at the Royal Hawaiian. Ed told them we were celebrating our anniversary on this trip. Granted, it'll be at Alani, where we're heading to tomorrow.
Our second wedding anniversary.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And we got married in Hawaii.
Yeah.
So, to welcome us, they supplied this on our first night, which is the Royal Hawaiian California Sparkling Rosé.
I've never said no to a rosé.
That's true, and I like sparkling kavas and anything else, so we'll try this out.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can open it safely. We can have a glass without causing anybody any physical harm. I'm gonna kind of get off camera to do this.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. They'll be right back.
Did you hear that? I did it.
Mahalo.
So remember, if you enjoyed our antics today, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe. Click the little bell icon next to it to be notified every time we have a video.
Share this video with your friends, family, everybody you know.